Hello Silly Bakers, let's make this creamy chocolate peppermint jello. First, we will need a large measuring cup. This is a 4-cup measure. I find that it works so much better, easier to work with. We're going to add 1 cup of plain Greek yogurt, 0%, 2%, whatever you like. We will need 1 ounce of chocolate, any type of chocolate that you like, and we are going to finely chop that so it melts really easily. We're going to grab a small to medium sauce pot. We're going to add half a cup of milk. You can use any milk that you like. This is soy milk. Two tablespoons of cacao powder or cocoa powder, whatever you have. And we are going to need some gelatin powder. This is the gelatin powder that I use, which is a bovine gelatin powder from Organica, but you guys can use any gelatin powder that you love. We're going to use 3.5 to 4 grams of gelatin powder. Either measurement will work. We're going to need some sweetener. You can use any sweetener of your choice. I'm using 1 tablespoon of maple syrup. 1 to 2 tablespoons of whatever you like will work. And we'll need some peppermint extract. If you don't want this to be a peppermint dessert, just omit the peppermint extract. We'll need a 1/4 teaspoon of that. And we're going to need half a teaspoon of vanilla. We're going to turn the heat on to a medium-low, and we're going to give everything a really good whisk. You want to add your cocoa powder while the milk is cold. It just mixes in so much easier. Once it's at a simmer, we're going to add our chopped chocolate, and we're going to mix that through until it's completely melted. You can do this on the heat, off the heat, either will work. I'm just going to take this off the heat, and we're going to let this cool for about 2 to 3 minutes before we add it to our yogurt. After about 3 minutes, I'm going to pour the chocolate mint mixture into the Greek yogurt. And using your whisk, we're going to whisk all of these ingredients until it's nice and smooth. We're just going to mix everything until it's incorporated. I like to use both a whisk and a spatula, just because the spatula will get into all those areas that the whisk couldn't get to. You're going to need 2 glasses. Any glasses will do, and we're going to divide the mixture into 2. Perfect. We're going to refrigerate for a minimum of 3 hours. And this is the jello after 3 hours. And now you can do so many different things here. I'm going to add just a little shaved chocolate on the top. And some chopped peppermint candy. I think whipped cream would also be really great here, and you can actually put the peppermint candy on the whipped cream. So do whatever you like. You can actually omit this step also. Enjoy our creamy chocolate peppermint jello. At approximately 200 calories per serving, and about 13 grams of protein and about 4 grams of fiber per serving. This is a great treat any time of day. It's so creamy. It's so delicious. You're gonna love this one.